Any questions, guys? Questions? All right, let's look at this at the next one then, the second part of this. So the next one says b squared CE. So this is what I'll do is I'll copy this whole thing, copy, and I'm gonna use it to do 18D. All right. So all I'm gonna do is change the numbers. So we're given that, so that is there. So what I will be doing is I'm gonna just be cutting things up. So b squared is the same thing, b and b. And now this is gonna have to be CE. So that means that I'm going to have to, look how easy this is. I'm going to cut this. Notice it disappeared. I'm going to put it right behind it as how it was supposed to be for this one. So this first one is b squared, so it remains the same. All I'm going to do now is change these ones here. So this one will change to -2 times 3 plus 3. So instead of 4, 3 times -2. And here then I'll have -2. -2 times 4 plus 3 times 1. 1. And here I will now have 6. 6 times 3 plus 7 times -2. And so the next one will be 6 times 4, 7 plus 7 times 1. Okay, so that is that one there. So we're gonna need to, yes?
For the part where it's a -2 times 3 plus 4 times -2, the 4 is supposed to be in there?
3
That's 3,
times,
right?
yeah, 3. Good, excellent view. All right, so we continue with the next one. And in the next one, let me move this slightly. In the next one, the first one remains the same because that's the b squared. This one will change though, because this is going to be the -6 will remain, but then it is plus, this plus a -6. All right, plus n, whoa, plus -6. Okay, plus -6. The next one is gonna be -8, not 9, but -8 plus 3. So no 28, so it's getting smaller. This one, 6 times 3, 6 times 3 is 18, not 4. So 18 plus 7 times -2, that's going to be a -14. And then the last one here, that's going to be 24 plus 7. And so that one is there already. So I'm not going to tamper with it. So again, b squared remains the same. This one will definitely change. This is actually -12 now, because -6 plus -6, that's -12. 3 minus 8, that's going to be -5 instead of 34. So the numbers are getting far smaller. Here, 18 plus a -14, that's just going to be 4, not 10. So the number again gets smaller. But this one gets bigger. 24 plus 7, that's 31. All right, so that one gets huge. So for the next part, we're going to see 25 times -12. So it went down slightly. And 0 times 4, right? Times 4. Then the next one, 25 times -5. -5 plus 0 times 31. Then here, negative 9 times negative 12. Negative 12. So I have to remove this 18 plus 4 times 4. And then here we'll have negative 9 times negative 5 plus 4 times 31. So that one will get really big. So we're finished with that step. So we're coming up to the end. All right, so 25 times negative 12. So 25 times negative 12 is negative 300. So negative 300, where, let me put it here, sorry. So negative 300 plus 0, so that's gonna remain. Here, 25 times negative 25, that's negative 125, right? Plus 0 again, so that one remains there. Then here we have 9 times 12. 9 times 12, if I recall, is 108, but both of them being negative, it's going to be positive 108. Plus 4 times 4 is just 16. So the numbers do tend to get smaller here. And negative 9 and negative 5, that's going to be positive 45. So I don't need my calculator there. But 4 times 31, that's going to be 124. So that one got big, all right? So one more step. All right, so negative 300 plus 0, that's simply negative 300, obviously. Negative 125 plus 0 is simply negative 125. 108 plus 16, that's going to be 124, I believe. No, yeah, 124. 124, and then this one, 45 plus 124, that is going to be 169, and that's going to be positive. So note the difference. Let me